Hi everyone, welcome back to my English class. Today we will learn about homophones and confusable words. Homophones. Homophones are pairs of words that sound the same but have distinctly different meanings and different spellings. Understanding homophones is an essential part of mastering the English language, both for vocabulary building and spelling. Example: break, break. B-R-A-K-E, B-R-E-A-K. B-R-A-K-E meaning a device used to stop vehicle. B-R-E-A-K meaning separate into pieces. So this is the difference between the two words. Cell, cell. It sounds the same. C-E-L-L. Cell means small room in which a prisoner is locked up. SELL means to hand over in exchange for money. Cent, cent, C-E-N-T, cent, a monetary unit in various countries. SCENT, scent, a distinctive smell. Die, die, D-I-E, die means stop living or pass away. DYE, dye means a natural substance used to add a color. Flour, flour. Flour means a powder obtained by grinding grain. Flower, the seed bearing part of a plant. So these were the common examples of homophones. Let's learn about confusibles. There are several homophones in the English language that almost everyone gets confused at some point. These frequently confused homophones include accept, accept. Accept means receive. Accept means to exclude. Accept sentence, he accepted my offer. Accept sentence, except Ria, everyone attended the party. Affect, effect. Affect means indicates influence. Effect means is the result of an action. Affect sentence, he was visibly affected by the tragedy. Effect sentence, wind power can be used to great effect. Complement, compliment. Complement spelling C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T. Complement, C-O-M-P-L-E-M-E-N-T. There is a difference. So C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T meaning is say something nice about someone. C-O-M-P-L-E-M-E-N-T means something that completes. So compliment sentence is she paid me enormous compliment. Means she said something nice about me. Something that completes, compliment. Sentences at the moment we have a full complement of staff. So we have a complete staff. Then, than. Then, T-H-E-N, then means show how things happened. T-H-A-N, than means make comparisons. Sentence for then, I was living in Delhi then. Than, he was much smaller than his son. TO2, TOO2. TO2 includes towards and until. It is a preposition. TOO2 means excessively. Sentence for to is he used to get up late in the morning. TOO2 sentences he had eaten too much in the party. Therefore, children, practice the words with their synonyms in order to make you mentally strong in homophones and confusibles. We'll meet you soon in my next presentation. Thank you.